Have you ever been confused about the difference between loading and attaching packages in R? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Today, we're going to clarify these concepts and help you understand how to manage your R packages effectively. I totally get it. Many users find themselves puzzled when they see commands like library and detach in RStudio. You're not alone in this confusion, and it's a common question among R users. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, what does unload equals true mean in the detach command? They also wanted to know if there's a conceptual difference between loading, unloading, and attaching, detaching. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. To understand this, we need to break down what loading and attaching really mean. When you load a package using the library function, you're making its functions available for use. Attaching, on the other hand, makes the package's data frames and functions available without needing to specify the package name each time. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will help you manage your R packages like a pro. To understand the difference between loading and attaching in R, let's start with the command library. When the user runs the command library ggplot2 lib.lockey/r win-library/3.4, it loads the package into the R session. Now, when the user checks the package in RStudio, it also attaches the package. This means that the functions from the package become available for use without needing to specify the package name. Next, let's discuss the command detach. When the user runs detach package jet ggplot2 unload equals true, it removes the package from the search path. This means the functions from the package are no longer available. The unload equals true option in the detach command ensures that the package is also unloaded from memory. This is important for freeing up resources. In summary, loading a package makes its functions available, while attaching allows direct access to those functions. Detaching removes the package from the search path, and using unload equals true ensures it is also removed from memory. Fun fact, did you know that R was originally developed for statistical computing and graphics? It has evolved into a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to another user, the difference between loading and attaching in R is important to understand. Loading a package means making it available to the current R session, while attaching a package means it is added to the user space, allowing you to use functions directly without the package prefix. The user also mentions that the .onload function is used for loading necessary components, while .onattach is for actions needed when the package becomes visible to the user, like displaying a startup message. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. This user explains that detaching a package relates to the package environment, which is more user-focused. In contrast, unloading a package, indicated by unload equals true, pertains to the namespace environment, which is more about interactions with other packages. After detaching, you can't directly use functions from that package, but unloading the namespace allows you to call those functions, although other packages won't be able to access them directly. Here's that pro tip I promised. Regularly check which packages you have loaded and detach any that you no longer need. This keeps your workspace clean and efficient. And there you have it. You now understand the difference between loading and attaching packages in R. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more R programming insights.